Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gambler Show. And today we will unleash a kit, and here it is. And this is a disclaimer. This is a bootleg, and yeah, one of the most fantastic bootleg that I will unleash for my entire career of being a gunpla builder, a vlogger, gunpla vlogger. Yeah, because this is one of the most hunted kit right now. It's a P Bandai on the premium Bandai on Bandai or in the original Gunplas, but here this is now on bootleg, and yeah, it's fake, but still, like me, that I didn't have the opportunity to have it or order it on the premium Bandai mall shop on Shopee here in the Philippines. So when I look at the price of this kit on Shopee for some scalpers and resellers, they are very overpriced. So yeah, I don't have it's not, I don't know, I think it's not worthy to have it with those prices because it's very high. But before we talk about all about that very overpriced, it's very then over. Okay, yeah, very. It's like redundant because it's really high. So let's just talk about that later with my rusty hobby knife. Let's unleash this one. Let's go. Okay, so we unleash the... Ooh, this is your... okay, we just read this one, this part right here. The WM5598, or yeah, I don't know what is this. I don't think it's Japanese or Chinese, but yeah, as we know, bootlegs were made in Japan. Japan. It's not Japan, it's on China. Yeah, China, Malaysia, those kind of... or Thailand, those kind of countries that we know. Okay, so I just would like to confirm it first. So I will open a little bit. It's not yet an unboxing, okay? So I just want to know if it's really is the thing that we will have. And yeah, so I know you will not, but maybe you already saw some of the reviewers about this kit. Yeah, so I have some friends which also a gunpla builder and a gunpla vlogger also that already reviewed these kits, but for me, it's like it's still part of my backlog. But I think I will have this. Maybe I will give them the priority to build, to be built. Okay, so we are talking about this one. This very a little bit controversial because it's a little bit different design, but yeah, still very amazing. And for me, that's why I bought the bootleg, because it's lesser in price and also it's very nice in design. Okay, so we have here your Rubres Ju, or yeah, some call it Rubres because Alfred or it's called Rubres on Japan in katakana, but to be exact, it's Lafret or Alfred Ju. Okay, so this is an Alfred Ju, and on Bandai, this is a P Bandai. I think it will just have the price if you bought it on the Shopee Premium Bandai Mall Shop. I think you will just cost 800 to 700 to 800 pesos, or at least 1,000. That's the highest part. Okay, it's a pre-order, so it's just like it's a pre-order last year. And then, yeah, after that, some people got it on the mall, but there are more scalpers that got it. So, yeah, the price from those 800 to 1,000 pesos goes up to 2,000 to 2,500. And there are some also who sell this kit on the P-Bandai or Premium Bandai for almost 3,500 pesos. It's very overpriced. It's double, triple, quadruple other price. So yeah, it's not worth. But when it comes out with its bootleg version, then let's go. Let's have it. Even if I will wait for the local sellers, I know that I will get more cheaper for this price because I get this from a outside the country seller. So I get this for almost 500 pesos, more than 500, 550. Yeah, that's then with a little bit of shipping fee, and then I get this for 560, 540. Yeah, that's the price, 567. So yeah, but in local right now, this kit will also available for almost 340 to 400 pesos only. So yeah, it's okay for a little bit of higher price, but we have now a Rover's Jew or an Lefret Jew here on my channel. So it's very nice. It's called WM5568 and it's a P Bandai on the premium Bandai or on Bandai, but here we have now the bootleg. And it's bootleg, so expect the unexpected. There are some parts right here that may be loose. There are some moldings that we don't let's say we can expect that maybe there will be something, or expect the unexpected that there will be some problems on molding, and also the plastic quality, maybe we will have an issue for that. But yeah, let's take a look on it when we have our unboxing. Maybe I will not have a speed build for this one because it's, you know, it's bootleg, but maybe I will have a live build only. And then we will also have a quick look, and the most important is the full review of this kit. But that will be next time because I still have so many kits to build right here, so it will go to my backlog paradise. But still, maybe, just maybe, I'll give a priority for these kits to be built first. Okay, so it's for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for my next videos. That's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gabber Show signing off. That's it. Bye. Lefret Jew. Let's build. Yeah, maybe your priorities.